Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a Pilgrims and a Native American. Are you ready? Let's do this!
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with and using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil.
Okay little artists, let's start this picture and we're gonna start with the Pilgrim on this side and then we're gonna do on this side the Native American, okay? And we're gonna do a circle for the head. So let's start here on the right side and we're gonna do a circle for the head. Okay, now let's draw the eyes and the center of this circle and I'm just gonna do two oval shapes and we're gonna do a finger space in between them. And I want to color this with black. In the middle, I'm just going to do a little smile and it looks like a letter U. And on top of the eyes, we're going to do hair. So we're going to do a line here and I'm leaving a little space and a line in the other side. And now we're going to join them together across. And inside, I can put a little bit of hair by doing 1, 2, and 3 lines just to show her hair. And the last thing on her face is going to be eyebrows. We're going to put 2 little lines on the top of the eyes. Next, we're going to do a little bit of hair too in behind her head. So I'm going to do kind of like braids. And these ones are going to go like this. 1, 2, and 1 and 2. Let's do the same in the other side. 1, 2, 1, 2. And on the bottom, I'm just going to close with kind of like a A shape. Okay, or like a square shape, just like that. Okay, now we're gonna do kind of like a hat she's wearing, and this is gonna be like an upside down letter U that is gonna go all around her head. We're gonna start from here around the braids and we're gonna around the head. We're gonna leave it like this so we can build the body and then we close this part. Underneath the mouth, we're gonna do a letter U for the neck. And then we're gonna do 2 lines for her body. The first line, it comes around on the left side and the other one on the right side. Next, we're gonna do 2 diagonal lines. We're gonna leave a space and we're gonna do 1, leave a space and do 2. And I'm joining these 2 with a curve. And now we're gonna do the dress with a diagonal line that goes down, down, and join here on the bottom with a curved line. And we're gonna do a letter V that goes from the shoulder to the neck, and the same here, a letter B. In the center, we can put some buttons. We're gonna put 1, 2, and 3. Now let's join the arms with the dress, and here we can put the hands with a little curve. So the hands are on the sides. Now let's make here like an apron. Okay, she's wearing an apron and we're gonna do this curved line double. So I'm gonna go 1 and now we're gonna do the same shape that we did for the dress, just leaving a space in between for the apron. And to make it look more like fabric, we're gonna put little lines inside, just like that. And we're gonna do the feet down here just with 2 curved lines, 1 and 2. Now we can close this part that we leave open of this kind of like hat that she's wearing, and we're going to cross these lines in behind the hair and connect to the body, in behind the head and connect to the body. So that's our Pilgrim, and now we're going to follow similar steps for the Native American. Okay, so I want to start also with a circle, and we're going to try to make the circle similar to the size of the whole head. Okay, okay, so let's start on the top of the paper and we're going to do this circle coming down, and you can press your marker hard against the paper, so that's going to help you going a little bit more straight. Okay, so see, this circle is kind of like the same size of the whole head. Okay, now let's do a line across, and this is gonna separate the part of her hair from the face. We're gonna do this line double. It's like a headband that she's wearing. So now let's draw ears in the side of her head. So we're gonna draw the ears underneath the headband. 1, Now, from the middle of the ears, kinda, we're gonna go up with a curved line to mark her hair. Right there. And now we're gonna mark the eyes. We're gonna do the same type of eyes. We're gonna just go from 2 oval shapes. So here's the first one. I leave a finger space in the middle, and I'm gonna do another one. Okay, let's do the smile in between, and let's color these 2 with black. And we're gonna put also eyebrows. So I'm gonna put 1 and 2. These eyebrows are kind of hiding in behind the hair. Here on the top, we're gonna do feathers. Okay, she's wearing some feathers on her hair, and we're just gonna go 1 and 2, just like 2 triangles and 1 on the top. And I want to repeat this shape kind of here. So I want to start with it 1, 2, and 3. And these feathers can have a line in the middle. Okay, so now let's do her body, and underneath the chins we're gonna do two lines for the arms. So 1, 2. Now we're gonna do the same thing we did here. We're gonna leave a space, and we're gonna do 1 more. So 1, leave a space, 2. Now these lines are gonna be joined here. We're gonna go up a little, and we're gonna do a curve. Now the line on the right side, I wanna extend it a little bit more, so it's gonna be longer than this one, okay? And we're gonna join them with a line that go across in a diagonal way. In the middle, on the waist, we're gonna mark kind of like a belt, and it's just gonna be 2 lines. They go with a space in the middle, and we can put some decorations like triangles that go up and down. Okay, now she's wearing a very pretty dress, and we're gonna do a line kind of like the same concept we did here. We're gonna go up a little. So from here we're gonna go up in a diagonal line, and let's do this one double. And we're gonna put also some decorations here with letter U's. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's do the same letter U's down here for more decorations on her dress. And we're gonna do 2 lines for her pants. She's wearing actually kind of like pants. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 1 and 2. And we're gonna close on the bottom with little curves. We're also gonna put here a line in the middle just to understand that it's pants and not just legs. And the shoes are going around and around, kind of like a C shape. Here we're gonna finish the hands by doing the same thing. We're gonna do kind of like around and around. The last detail for this Native American, I want to put her long hair. Okay, so underneath the ears we're gonna do 1 and 2 lines, and these lines I want to go going up a little bit here and connect. So let's do it again. Let's do a line, kind of like an A shape, and a line. And that's it. We finished this picture of a pilgrims and a Native American girls. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. Here is how my little girls turn out. You can change the colors I choose, and you can also stop the video here if you want to copy these colors. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.